Imagine opening your browser, visiting Reddit, and discovering a corner of the internet where people don't discuss memes or the news of the day, but rather the strangest, deepest, and sometimes absurd dilemmas about economics. Welcome to Economics Reddit, the digital forum where economists, students, and the curious debate questions ranging from the most academic to the most surreal. Today, we're going to dive into that ocean of ideas and explore what are the weirdest and deepest questions economics professionals are asking on Reddit. Home. The power of a question. There is nothing more powerful than a good question. Einstein said that if he had an hour to save the world, he would spend 55 minutes asking the right question and only 5 minutes searching for the answer. On Reddit, thousands of economists seem to follow this principle. It's not about giving quick answers, but about asking questions that make us doubt everything we think we know. And many of these questions are so strange that one wonders if they even have answers. Example 1. What would happen if we all stopped working at the same time? A user drops the bombshell. If tomorrow all of humanity magically stopped working for a month, what would happen to the global economy? The debate erupts. Some speak of a chain reaction collapse, others of a kind of forced vacation that could redefine the concept of productivity. These kinds of questions don't appear in university textbooks, but they reveal something key: how the system depends on our constant activity. Example 2. Why doesn't money disappear in a fire? Another Reddit gem. If money is just paper or numbers on a computer, what's to stop it from being destroyed if the records go missing? How real is money, really? These kinds of threads remind us that money is nothing more than a shared fiction, sustained by trust, and that ultimately what we call value depends on everyone believing in it. Example 3. The Economist's moral dilemma. One of the most famous arguments: if you're an economist and you notice a massive inefficiency in the economy, do you have a moral obligation to do something or just observe and analyze? These kinds of debates show that economics is not just about numbers, but also about ethics and responsibility. Example 4. Are there truly fair prices? On Reddit, a thread with thousands of comments revolves around this question. If the market dictates prices, can there be such a thing as a fair price? Or is it just an illusion? Here we see the clash between pure theory and the human perception of justice. Behavioral economics intersects with philosophy and politics. Example 5. The banana paradox. Yes, Reddit also has seemingly silly questions that turn out to be profound. Why are bananas more expensive in some tropical countries than in distant countries where they have to be imported? The answer combines logistics, subsidies, distribution monopolies, and consumer preferences. The absurdity of the question opens the door to understanding how globalization works. What all this teaches us: these questions remind us that economics is not a closed science, doesn't have all the answers. Rather, it is a constant dialogue where the strange, the rare, and the seemingly trivial can open new windows of knowledge. Reddit is like a mirror. It reflects the questions many of us have but don't dare to ask. Conclusion. In the end, the weirdest questions on Reddit aren't just curiosities. They're reminders that economics is, above all, a human science. Imperfect, full of paradoxes, and always searching for meaning. We may not have all the answers, but the important thing is to keep asking, because every strange question is an opportunity to think differently. If you don't want to miss any economic information, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and comment if you liked it.